everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love biking and exploring new trails, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 bike trails in Sunnyvale that you absolutely need to check out. So grab your helmet and let's ride. Kicking off our list is the Bay Trail. This scenic route runs along the San Francisco Bay, offering incredible waterfront views and a smooth, well-maintained path. Perfect for all skill levels, whether you're on a casual ride or training for distance. Pro tip, ride during sunset for some breathtaking views. Next up, we have the Stevens Creek Trail. This hidden gem connects Sunnyvale to Mountain View, running through lush greenery, creeks, and peaceful residential areas. It's an amazing ride if you enjoy a mix of nature and urban scenery. Keep an eye out for local wildlife. For those who love a relaxing ride through the heart of Sunnyvale, the John W. Christian Greenbelt is a fantastic choice. This trail is perfect for families and casual riders, offering a smooth, tree-lined path with plenty of shaded spots to take a break. It's also a great way to connect to nearby parks. If you're looking for a longer, uninterrupted ride, the San Tomas Aquino Creek Trail is a must. Stretching all the way to Santa Clara, this paved path follows the creek, passes under highways, and connects to Levi's Stadium. Whether you're commuting or just enjoying the ride, it's a smooth and scenic adventure. Last but not least, we have Sunnyvale Baylands Park. This is a fantastic spot for those who enjoy open spaces and nature trails. You'll find a mix of paved and dirt paths, making it great for both casual bikers and off-road enthusiasts. Plus, you can wrap up your ride with a relaxing picnic.